Here is a topic for you, conversation or dialogue between shopkeeper and customer. Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I am Shehzad from Shehzad English Language Academy. Here is a topic for you, conversation or dialogue between shopkeeper and customer. It is for those who want to learn English and who doesn't know Urdu or Hindi. So this class is for those. Look at, there are some dialogues. You can say expected dialogues. We have thought how can we conclude it. So there are some dialogues. Look at it carefully. How can you make a conversation between a shopkeeper and between shopkeeper and customer? Of course, when customer comes, he enters into the shop. First of all, he will pay salam, we say, or you can say, he will say hello, how are you, are you fine? Yes, I'm fine, how are you? So customer says hello, shopkeeper says hello, how can I help you? Of course, he will offer his help, whatever he can do for you. Customer, I want to buy a bag, please show me any. If you have any bag, can you show it to me? I want to buy a bag. It can be anything. You can buy a pen, you can buy a fan, you can buy some foodstuff, grocery, you can buy anything which will be in kgs. So show me any. If you have any, show me the bags. Shopkeeper, yes, I have. Which one, blue or red? Which one do you like? You like blue color or red color? I have two varieties in this stuff. Which one do you like? Yeah, this one. Yeah, red one. Yeah, blue one. No, this one. No, that one. That can be anything. So I need this bag. I need that bag. So you can say, how much for this? What is the price of this? How can I pay it? So shopkeeper says, 1,000 rupees only for you. This is just for you. This concession is just for you. Otherwise, you can say other people will pay 1,200, 1,300, but this is 1,000 for you. Do you have some other varieties or just blue or red? Do you have this stuff or other thing? No, I have. What are they? Yes, sir, but that will cost you more. It will be burden on you. You will have to pay more. It will not be 1,000. It can be 15 or 20,000. Customer, it doesn't matter. It should be attractive. It doesn't matter for me. I'm a rich man. I have a lot of money. I can pay it very easily. But the thing is that it should be lovely. It should be beautiful. It should be attractive. It should be soft. The stuff should be good and strong. Shopkeeper, yes, here it is. Oh, okay, if you are a rich man, if you can pay, if it doesn't matter for you, so here it is. It is present in front of you. You can choose one of them. How much for this? And she or he is holding one bag. Yes, I need this one. How much for this? How much for this? Like we said here, how much for this? Now once again, there's another variety, another bag is there. So he says, he asked, how much for this? What is the price of it? What is the cost of it? It will cost you 2,000 rupees. It is double. It's good stuff. You can see it, touch it. It's so soft. Its colors are very attractive. It has a zip, very strong zip. Its handles are very strong. You can hold it. It can carry a lot of heavy load. So it will cost you 2,000 rupees. That's why it's double. So it means because in the beginning he said that will cost you more. Yeah, please be reasonable. What are you saying? It's double. Be reasonable. Less. You should tell me. I mean, I will pay less than that. Not 2,000. It's too high. But nowadays I should tell you that I think it's reasonable price. 1,000 and 2,000 rupees. It's just for joke. Okay. Be reasonable. Yes, it will cost you more. Please be reasonable. Shopkeeper, but not less than. I have missed it. Not less than 1,500 rupees. No. Whatever is the case, I will pay. You will have to pay not less than 1,500. It can be 1,600, 1,700, 1,500, but not less. Not 1,400, not 1,300. Please be reasonable. No, it's fixed now. I can't. That's it. Okay. So take it. So now there will be some sentences like thank you, take this, put it in a bag, another bag, in a shopping bag, in a cover, I will be thankful. This is what I could do for you. Thank you so much for visiting this. I will visit you again. I will come here with my friend. I will come here with my cousin, brother, sister, whatever. Yeah, I will welcome you. I will be happy if you visit me again. This shop is for you. It will be open for you for all the time. So it doesn't matter, you can call me. This is my card. Take this card. This is my card. You can contact me anytime. I will open for you. I will open this shop for you anytime. Thank you so much for visiting us. So this is, you can say, expected, or you can say we have some like these sentences can be repeated in each and every shop. There can be other. I can't say that these are everything. No, there can be other. You can comment us some expected questions, or you can say some expected dialogues or conversation. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this, so don't forget to share it with your friends, with your cousins, with your relatives, neighbors, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Allah Hafiz.